There's a highway out of this town, and the stars light it up as they shine on down. She's driving off in this world alone. No, she ain't never going home.
We're constantly looking to external sources for our well being, but we forget that we have an incredible resource internally our mindset. Just be positive as we always hear it when we encounter challenges, but we all know it's easier said than done. How can we make this effective though? How can we be consistent? So, this week I'd like to share some pointers on how we can practice positive mindset. Today is going to be a good day, a simple affirmation that will make your day as positive as we want it to be. There are for sure challenges here and there that we'll encounter in a day, but it will be nothing compares to what we have in our mind. Nothing beats a positive mind. Each one of us have our own definition of success, happiness, and ways to celebrate it, whether or not it's a walk in the park. It could be a finished report, could be loads of laundry. Doesn't matter how big or small it is. What important is we achieved something and it makes us feel accomplished. A good deed can attribute to a positive mindset. Not only it makes us feel good from the inside, but it also encourages us to do good and be good all the time. I always believe that everyone you meet is fighting a battle you know nothing about. So be kind. A simple good deed will probably be something that will light up someone's day. Let's not wait for someone to brighten our day. We can be the light. Living in the now is a huge factor to have a positive mindset. Why? Because the more we stay in the past and live each day regretting some mistakes, or living in the future worrying for something that has never happened yet, the more we don't see what's in front of us. It's making our hearts heavy with things we can no longer change nor control. And it will just be a total waste of time, not only for us, but for our loved one as well. Surround ourselves with people with the same mindset, encouraging one another, giving positive feedback, and sharing the positive thoughts. These 5 tips, when practiced daily, will definitely grow into us and will make us appreciate life even more. It will aid us to become better examples to our future generation. Who knows, maybe we can encourage them to have a positive outlook. I hope that in one way or another, my ramblings this week count. Whenever you are right now, I hope nothing but the best for you and for the people you love. Thank you very much for being here, and I can't wait to see you again very soon.
She's never going home. She's never